How about problem number 4? Aircon Network Company borrowed 523,500 pesos on May 13 due to September, due on September 27, 1999. Oy, nagbigay dito ng exact date. Oh. Ibig sabihin, exact, simple interest. Hey, if the interest rate is 10%, find the interest on the loan using exact interest and ordinary interest. So, dalawa. Oh, unahin muna natin yung exact. Okay? Excuse me. Exact muna tayo. Letter A. On exact. Yan. Now, you are given a date from May 13 to September 27. Let us check, ha? Let us check. If that is leap year. O, yung 1999. Divide mo ng 4. Tignan natin kung leap year ba yan. O, 1999 divide by 4. O, hindi siya leap year. Ibig sabihin may butal. So, this is not leap year. Okay? Hindi siya leap year. So, exact. Bibilang tayo. From May ano yan? May 10 to September 27. Okay. Bilang tayo. May 10. Bilang ka na dito. January, February, March, April, May. So, that is 31 days. Sa exact. May 31 minus 10.
Sir,
13 po ata, sir.
13 po.
13.
January, February, March, April, May. 31. 31.
Sir, yung date daw po.
Daw po,
Yung-
sir.
Sir,
May
yung
nakalagay
May
na
10 po.
Ayun, may 13. Ayun, 13. Sorry. Mahirap malabo mata. Okay, thank you for correcting. 13. Yun, sakto na. Kung nakita tinitignan ko yung 10%. My bad. So, that is 10. 13. Yan. May 13 to 31. May. June. Ilan days yan after? 30. June 30. July. That is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, 31. August. That is 31 also kasi babalik siya. August, September. Okay, kahit hindi nyo na ibawas yun pag September. That is 27 days ang lumipas sa September. Okay? I-total natin yung number of days. So, 31 minus 13. Okay, that is 18 plus 30 plus 31 plus 31 plus 27. That is 137 days that has passed after May 13 to September 27. 1, 3, and 7. Eksakto Yan. Now, hinahanap natin yung interest. Since hindi siya leap year, we can say we have a total of 365 days. So, exact lagay natin dito. P-I-N. Your principal is how much? 523,500 pesos. 523,500 pesos. You multiplied with, ano yung interest rate dyan? 10%, 0.10. And then multiply it with exact, okay, exact, 365 divided by 137 divided by 365 days. So, the exact simple interest for the terms of the loan is 137 divided by 365. The answer is, ayan ang tinubo niya, 19,000 pesos. Okay? 19,649 and 18 centavos. Okay na yan. Pwede ka mag-round up dyan. Sa dulo sa decimal ng dulo, pero sa interest, hindi ka pwede interest rate. Never ka dapat tawag dito, mag-round off. So, na-solve na natin yung exact. How about the ordinary interest? Pag ordinary, ganito yan. Huwag mong pansinin yung date, okay? Meron kang 1 month is equal to 30 days. So, May. That is from May 13. So, 30 minus 13. June 30. July 30. August, that is 30. September, 27, diba? Oh, total mo yan. 30 minus 13, I think that is 17. 17 plus 30 plus 90 na lang. Tatlo Plus 27. That is 134. 134 days. Sa ordinary, ngayon, nahanapin na natin yung interest at ordinary. I-O. P-I-N. So, I-O is equal to 523,500 multiply to interest, that is 0.1, multiply to 134 days divided by ordinary, 360. So, the answer will be pinag-usapan natin dyan, ordinary, kaya 360. Exact, 365 or 366, ganun. Times 0.1 times 134 divided by 360. The answer now will be 19,485. 485.83 pesos only yung kanyang tinubo after the span of 134 days. And dito, mas maraming araw, di mas marami kang tinubo. Okay? That is for problem number 4. And I think that is enough for the part 1. And let us take a 5-minute break. Okay? After this, we'll tackle the remaining ones.